What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP, the install guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 2003 Ford Ranger, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out and install your own. If you're into that type of thing, please consider subscribing or following, because that's what we do here at the channel, anything car audio or install related. So with this one, we do have a Ford, and all we need is the Ford keys. We have two holes right here. I'm gonna put them in. And pull that out. Now, since we're installing a double DIN radio and there's no screws that actually hold this in, the dash kit has plastic tabs to kind of mimic the metal tabs that come on the side of the radio to just snap in place on the sides. So in order for this to fit properly, we're going to have to shave off this ridge on the bottom and that ridge on the top. So installing today is going to be the Alpine IOLX 650. This is going to be the short chassis radio. It is Sirius XM ready, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready, but you do have to use the USBs because it is not wireless, but it's still a pretty good head unit. It is also what we call a short nose radio, but the long nose will actually have something that sticks out a little bit further, and the buttons at the bottom, since it's a flush screen, we call it the short nose radio. And this actually doesn't come with the dash kit, but it does come with dash brackets. They're going to be labeled DDXR and L, right R for right and L for left. The only thing I don't like about this dash kit, it lines up perfectly right there. It's going to actually be recessed inside the dash. I'm not really a fan of the recessed look because it looks kind of sunk in. But now, depending on what platform you guys are watching this video on, I will have the product links in the description for you guys if you guys want to do this yourself. Now, the wiring harness is pretty straightforward, and the only things that you have to watch out for is that with Alpine, they have two different wire colors that's different than the regular aftermarket wire colors. Your parking brake is yellow with the blue stripe. It is not light green. And your reverse wire is orange with a white stripe. It is not purple with the white stripe. Now, if you guys don't know what those aftermarket wire colors are, don't worry about it, because I actually made one video showing you guys how to wire up a radio. If you're on YouTube, that link will be down there in the description, and that card will be popping up there in the corner. Also, at this time, I'd like to give a shout out to everybody who decides to support the channel, whether you guys get one of the fan subscriptions from jptheinstallguy.com or the Patreon, or you hit those links in the description and get your product from the website or from Amazon. All that goes to help support me, and I greatly appreciate it. Now, for whatever radio you guys get, you should come with two different sets of screws. You're going to have one with like a pan head, one with a flat head. Since this one has to go past that ridge that we didn't cut, because these tabs right here have to catch it, you want to use the flat head screws. That way it slides by like it's supposed to. If you use those pan heads, they're going to get caught. Now, before we actually lock this into place, I want to go ahead and check everything out, make sure stuff works. That looks good. There we go. So that snaps into the back, and then you have this bottom bar that needs to go down at the bottom to kind of help make this all come together. That's what it looks like when it's all said and done. Now, honestly, it doesn't look bad. Just me, I'm more of a flush than a recessed type of guy. But if you guys find any type of value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Your boy JP signing out, telling y'all to keep going, keep growing, and have a very blessed day. Peace.